Welcome to another episode of AI Frontiers, the podcast dedicated to exploring the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research. Today, we're diving into a transformative topic: revolutionizing disaster relief with AI. Join us as we unpack groundbreaking studies in the field of computer science and artificial intelligence, showcasing how these advancements are reshaping our world. Imagine a disaster striking, a devastating earthquake or flood, where life-saving supplies are scarce. Can artificial intelligence ensure that aid reaches everyone fairly, no matter their location? What if technology could reduce inequity in aid distribution by an astonishing 34%? In this episode, the potential of AI to save lives equitably is brought to light. Let's explore together how these innovations are turning such possibilities into reality, addressing some of the most pressing challenges in crisis response with cutting-edge solutions that prioritize both speed and fairness. In this episode, a deep dive into 47 groundbreaking research papers is presented, all published between December 21 and 22, 2025, on the arXiv preprint server. The goal is to uncover the latest trends, significant breakthroughs, and the potential future impact of AI. From disaster relief innovations to advancements in robotics, the field is evolving at a remarkable pace. Stay tuned to understand how these developments are shaping the future of humanity and what they mean for society in the years ahead. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is about creating systems that mimic human capabilities, thinking, learning, and acting in ways once thought uniquely human. Picture AI as a vast, bustling city under construction, with distinct neighborhoods representing areas like vision, language processing, and decision-making. Researchers act as architects, building and connecting these domains with increasingly sophisticated tools. The impact is profound, transforming sectors from healthcare to traffic optimization. Yet, significant challenges persist, including concerns around privacy, bias, and ethical implications, which remain critical to address as the field advances. One prominent theme in current AI research is reasoning and problem-solving. Here, the focus is on teaching machines to think logically and creatively, much like a detective piecing together clues in a complex mystery. A notable example involves large language models, or LLMs, which are designed to process text and reason through abstract concepts. These models are now being used to tackle high-level mathematical problems in collaboration with humans, demonstrating that AI can go beyond mere computation to engage in deep, conceptual thinking, pushing the boundaries of what machines are capable of achieving. Another significant area of exploration is embodied agents and robotics, where AI is given a physical presence to interact with the world. Imagine a dancer navigating a crowded room with grace and precision. That's the vision for these systems. A standout study introduces benchmarks for testing AI agents in simulated food delivery environments, addressing real-world challenges such as time constraints and limited resources. This research highlights how AI is adapting to unpredictable, dynamic settings, paving the way for practical applications in everyday scenarios that require physical interaction and decision-making. Safety and ethical considerations remain paramount in AI development, akin to building a sturdy ship designed to withstand the roughest seas. Protecting AI systems from adversarial attacks is a key focus, especially in critical areas like healthcare. For instance, research is being conducted to enhance adversarial robustness in medical AI, ensuring these systems are not misled into incorrect diagnoses. Such efforts are vital to building trust in AI for high-stakes applications, where reliability and ethical alignment are non-negotiable for safeguarding human well-being and maintaining public confidence. Among the 47 papers reviewed, several findings stand out for their potential to transform real-world applications. A study by Mostajabdava and colleagues achieved a 34% reduction in inequity for disaster aid distribution. Another introduced PhysMaster, an AI physicist accelerating scientific discovery. In healthcare, fixing label errors in clinical AI datasets boosted accuracy by nearly 9%. Research on emotional robots enabled continuous learning of motion for more natural interactions, while a project on interactive search agents cut operational costs by 50%, making AI more practical for everyday use. These breakthroughs address pressing human challenges across diverse domains. A spotlight is placed on the paper of the day, titled, A Branch and Price Algorithm for Fast and Equitable Last-Mile Relief Aid Distribution, authored by Mati Mostajabdava and colleagues in 2025. This research addresses a critical issue: ensuring life-saving supplies reach those in need after disasters, balancing the dual goals of speed and fairness. Historically, aid distribution has often overlooked remote or hard-to-reach areas, leaving vulnerable communities behind. The mission here is deeply human: to ensure no one is forgotten in times of crisis, reflecting a commitment to equity and emergency logistics. Delving into the technical innovation of Mostajabdava and colleagues, their approach to disaster aid distribution is examined. The challenge was framed as a bi-objective optimization problem, balancing speed and equity. Fairness was measured using the Gini index, a metric adapted from economics to assess distribution inequality. A mixed integer programming model was employed, paired with a branch and price algorithm that efficiently breaks down complex problems into manageable parts. Testing on real-world inspired datasets, including scenarios from the Van, Turkey earthquake, showed their method outperforming standard commercial solvers in both speed and solution quality. The impact of Mostajabdava and colleagues' work is profound. Their algorithm achieved a 34% reduction in aid distribution inequity without compromising delivery speed. A key insight revealed that in moderate crisis scenarios, balancing fairness and speed is essential, while extreme time constraints may prioritize coverage. This could mean the difference between life and death for remote shelters often overlooked. Beyond logistics, this research sets a precedent for embedding human values like equity into AI solutions, offering a vision for fairness in resource allocation across fields like healthcare and urban planning. Looking ahead, the future of AI research appears as an uncharted forest, brimming with potential. Trends point toward more autonomous systems leading in science, logistics, and beyond. There's a growing emphasis on embedding values like fairness and empathy into algorithms, ensuring ethical outcomes. Lightweight, cost-effective models are also on the horizon, democratizing AI access for under-resourced communities. Additionally, interdisciplinary collaboration, merging AI with fields like physics and social sciences, promises to spark innovation. Like explorers, AI is mapping new territories of human potential, despite challenges in robustness and ethics that remain to be navigated. Reflecting on this journey through the latest AI research, the progress is remarkable. These 47 papers from December 2025 highlight advancements in reasoning, robotics, and ethics. A standout is Mostajabdava and colleagues' work on disaster aid equity, reducing inequity by 34%. Challenges like system robustness and interpretability persist, yet the promise is undeniable. Imagine a future where AI solves a problem close to your heart. Share that vision using #AIFrontiers. Dive deeper into these papers via links in the show notes, and let curiosity guide you toward the next frontier. A note on how this presentation was crafted. It was created using advanced AI tools for content synthesis. Text generation was powered by GPT-Grok, model Grok 3, while text-to-speech synthesis was handled by Google for audio elements. Visuals were generated using Stable Diffusion. Though human-reviewed, minor oversights may occur, and full references are provided for transparency. This blend of technology and oversight ensures the latest research is presented clearly and accurately, maintaining the integrity of the complex topics discussed in this episode. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI's cutting edge with AI Frontiers. Subscribe to stay updated on groundbreaking research and insights. AI Frontiers is dedicated to exploring the impact of artificial intelligence through in-depth analysis. Share your thoughts online using #AI Frontiers, and join the community for future discoveries. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer. This video uses arXiv preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprint server.